So this is the lobby. I know the lobby, the hallway of the Limenda Hosay. And if you notice, we have this very well light hallway and nice flooring, and all of the hallways facing the elevators. We have this set up right here, like decorated wall, and you have chairs that sometimes on the other condo you cannot find, because if you are going out of the elevator, it's plain. So unlike this one, it's decorated. Even the wall here, the developer, they put the nice wallpaper. And we have units available here, not only the penthouse. We also are opening some of the units here for long-term rent. So if you are really interested to enjoy or to try the brand of Limenda, message me, and let's go now to the second floor to check the gym. And it's very lucky because normally if the weather is good, like unlike today, it's raining, mostly there are people swimming in this beach or swimming pool of the Limenda. And luckily now we are doing this video without someone, so we are free to do the video. So this is the 8th floor amenities of the Limenda Residence. We have the 4 swimming pool, infinity pool, and this is the view of those Cebu City. You can see from here the CCLX, the city, and the South Road properties. And we have these sitting lounges. And this is the swimming pool of Limenda Hosay, and I really like it. We are on the 8th floor, and the penthouse is located on that side, on the 21st floor of this building. And this is it. So I will go now to the second floor, and I will show you the gym of this Limenda. This is infinity pool, and we have also kids pool, which is here. This is the kids pool, and below is the pump room or the utility area. We have this dressing room, and we have this outdoor shower, and this is the kids pool. And this is the amenities of Limenda Hosay, 8th floor, and we will go now to the We are now on the second floor of this Limenda Residences, and as I told you, I'm going to bring you on this beautiful gym, well-equipped gym. All of the materials and all of the equipments on this gym are all brand new. Actually, it smells like brand new because this is really brand new, and it's a really big, spacious gym, and with openings for the natural airflow will come out and things. And we have got 2 split type aircon on this gym. As you can see, look at the equipments that we have, that the Limenda having on this gym. And this is the second floor of the tower, and on the second floor we can find one of the amenities is the gym, and the other one is the function, which is that one. One of the function of the Limenda, the other function is located on the other side. And the rest are all offices. The property management office is located on this floor level. And after this, I will show you the lobby of Limenda Residences Hosay. And this is it. This is the gym of Limenda. And this is the gym that maybe you can picture yourself out working on this gym. So let's go now to the lobby.